Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. Rectangle piece, I'm taking it like this. And you know how to make a roll, isn't it? Like cone-like thing we need to make. Make a cone like this. Just roll it over like this, like a cone, you make it. And the end portion, it should be, make it in such a way that you have only one pointed toe. It should be done like this. Okay? Backside, we need to paste it. This part, you try to paste it like this. I'll show you the base alone. Coloring part, I think everyone, you can do it very well. Apply glue here nicely and make it stick like this. Few minutes you need to hold it. Otherwise, you may not, the thing may not stick properly. Just by pasting like this itself, you'll get the cone-like thing. This, whichever size you want, you can make it. This is such a weightless thing. Very long earring and all, you can make it like this. This is such a nice work. If you want, I'll continue, tell you. See, like this, you need to roll it in such a way that only one single line is seen here. Okay, one part alone only, it should be protruded like this. Such a way you need to fold it. So same way like how we have made this, the other thing also should look real, it should look even. Okay, same way you need to roll it. So approximately, does both the thing look same? Okay, then you can just paste this portion. Apply glue over here. The rolled out one is only like this. Same way, if you want, you can make bigger rectangle cutting and you can make it as a pendant. This earring alone only I am going to show you. See, just by pasting like this itself, it will stick nicely. Okay. So we have made the thing here like this. Then take a molded clay. For this, we need little more than what we use for the other step. I'm taking little more like this. Mix it nicely. Mix it nicely like this. And place it over the top part here. And just prick an eye pin. Very easy thing only, nothing complicated. But you need to wait for a few minutes for it to stick nicely. Okay, that is the main thing. I'm taking this clay here like this. Just place it over the space. Keep it in such a way that both the sides it looks good. Just keep it like this. It has to stick nicely. Okay. So you are placing it like this. Can you all see the thing? Like this you have to do for both the thing. Yes? Very good. Very good. You have done it nicely. This part, this thing also you can just see how I'm making it. Okay? This is also such a nice craft. You can very well make it like this. See, like this you make it. Both the thing also you make it like that. And then insert the eye pin when the clay is wet only. After that, you can't insert anything, then you can't wear the stud at all. Okay. See that you are making it like this. Like mehendi and all, how we used to keep in our hands, like that you do it on the top of the thing. Okay. Then later for this, you need to give some gold color or anything like that. See, like this I have made it. This is really a bigger stud, and take a eye pin. Eye pin you can insert it directly as such, or you can have a jimmicky cap over it and then use it. Jimmicky caps and all like this, it is available, okay? In the market, it's so many varieties are available. Whichever thing you want, you can, like smaller ones are available like this. Very small ones are also available like this. Or it is medium size like this is available. So whichever thing you want, whichever you prefer, you can just use it. Just because this earring seems to be very big, you can put one over here like this. This also, it is very weightless only, nothing. You will not feel that even. So keep it over this, put over this one eye pin, okay? I don't want to tell any complicated thing. That's why the first work was very simple. These are the innovative things, like you can make it on your own, okay? I'll show you the base alone, how you have to make it. Take 2 eye pins for this, because the earring is bigger, no, like you can put it fully even, or you can cut it into half. Eye pins together, you hold it and then insert it like this. And don't disturb for some time. Just insert it like this and keep. Okay. Later here we can paint it with gold color. But now we can't do the painting just because it is wet. No, like we can't do the painting now. Bottom pantaloon, if you want, I can show you how we can color it. See, such a big, beautiful earring we have made. Can you all see that? Yes. After that, here this part, if you want, you can take any sparkly color, any color, like anything, whichever you feel like, you can color it. I'm taking tacos. It will clear the place, too much of things. See, just color it. For easy thing, you can just leave your finger inside like this. One of your finger, you can put it inside like this and then do the coloring. It will be easy for you. For this, you can touch little water. If you want 2 or 3 colors also, you can do it, but it is very difficult in this type of earring. So base color, let it be the same thing. One of the earring I'll finish and I'll show you, okay? These are the simple, easy tips which you can follow and do the coloring, okay? If we are not putting it inside our finger, you may feel a little bit difficult to color it. Then later, inside portion also you can color it. But now I can't do that. Only when the outer portion dries out, we can do the inside part coloring. So the same way, the other thing also we can do it. Since the part what I am painting is too much, I am using flat brush, okay? I am using Tacos party color. Shiny effect. I don't know whether you can see the shiny effect and all in camera, but when you use those colors, you will have a glittery effect. Pearl metallic colors and sparkle colors and all, such a nice thing. Direct coating itself is enough. That itself, it will make the thing really good. We can wear it for any grand occasion and all. decoration portion, it is really very good thing in this. We can do so much of decoration in this. See, that's what like two of the thing I've colored. And in this clay part, now I can't color because it is little bit wet. We can't handle it. If any portion, if the color has not been applied properly, try to apply it nicely, okay? This is something new, nowhere you can see such things like this is my own idea. I'm using it. And I have done so many steps like this and I have kept a stall and all. It went very well because it is something very unique. According to your dress, you can customize the jewelry. And on this, how I'm going to decorate is, see, if you want from inside also, you can leave this inside, like hanging, you can make it from inside, you can keep a thing. Like it should be kept over from that place and it has to come out, okay? We need to color this area, but I don't think so. It is wet actually. I'll try to show you one of the things. This portion you need to color it. Might can be colored nicely just because it is seen outside. It has to be decorated nicely. Till the portion which you can see it out, you need to color it nicely inside too. The same color I'm giving. Okay. Same way the other thing also we can do it. For this you need not touch too much water, okay? If we touch too much water, it may take time to dry. Only when the brush is not coming, like flow of the paint is not good, then you touch water. Otherwise, don't touch water at all. These colors directly we can do it. Say inside till the part which is visible, I have given color, okay? Both we have done it. And on this, what I'm going to do, this part coloring later we can do, okay? That I can't handle it now. From inside, I wanted this to be hanging out, okay? This, I wanted it to be hanging out, okay? So I'm taking little bit, apply thick glue over here, just place it inside like this and allow it to come out like this, okay? That we can do it. Make a glue line. If I can't finish this, I'll post it in the group. You can see the thing and you can do it. Okay, I want everyone to finish this. Both the thing from inside, you put the line like this. Take glue A plus I'm using. So both should be kept in same size, okay? Otherwise in one it will be bigger and the other one it will be small. So see that you are cutting it together. Both the things should be in the same size. And just place it over this place. Such a big and long thing we can make it. If you wanted it long also you can make, or this itself with smaller one also you can make it so that children can wear it. Okay, like this you need to place it. Both also you try to do that same thing. Keep it near and see so that the height is same in both the thing. Okay. And here all you can just paste with this itself. You can just paste this itself. From the sides fully you can just paste it, but now I can't handle this properly. Here you apply glue and just paste it here like this. Whichever sides you want, you can paste it. And from here also you can add lines like this. 2 or 3 lines you can add it. Ear hook adding and all, it is very simple only. No, I think you will do it. 2 or 3 lines you can do it with this. Or 3D outliners can be used. These lines, blue lines, it will become transparent when it dries. So you need not worry about that at all. Just place it over here like this and try to cut and take it off. Even that those strips also you can use it. Just because this I have taken it out, I'm using the same thing. Pasting and all, it is very easy only, okay? Just on the line you are keeping it. If the line is not proper, you can just try to place it properly. With very little glue itself, it will stick nicely. Same way the other stud also we have to make it. See how does it look? Okay. Any doubt you can WhatsApp me even if you want. I'll clear your doubts. I expect everyone to do the thing and submit the photos. Backside too, if you want to decorate it with the stone ropes, you can do it. It is totally only your wish. Only if you have the basic idea, you can do this type of innovations and all. That's why I wanted to teach you very simple thing in the beginning. Now I am telling you something different out of it. Without knowing the basic, we can't do the other parts and all. That's why I've taught you very simple thing in the beginning. If you want, you can try that and this. So how beautiful earrings, we have made it in a very simple way, isn't it? See how nice it is. Thank you, Ma. Any doubts, you can call me, okay? Call me or you can WhatsApp me. Thank you. I think this would have been a great session for you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.